But we're discussing air pollution, but there was something else also that happened in Parliament. Now, when Parliament really needed a debate, it got smoke, quite literally. This is the latest controversy we're telling you about. The TMC MP Saugata Roy was smoking inside Parliament premises, violating the regulations. And then he remained defiant. He spoke about Delhi's AQI and all of that. But he continued to smoke, saying that there's nothing that can stop him from smoking outside Parliament, within the premises, essentially. Take a look.
I think it's important that
at a time when debates and discourse should be lighting up Parliament, it's cigarettes that are doing the talking. For the second day in a row, it was a TMC MP at the centre of a smoke storm. TMC MP Saugata Roy caught on camera smoking inside Parliament premises outside the historic Makar Dwar. Union Ministers Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and Giriraj Singh confronted the senior TMC leader, questioning how an elected MP could openly violate public smoking rules and put others' health at risk.
शेखावत जी ने कहा कि सार्वजनिक स्थल पर सिगरेट पीना मना है।
आप सार्वजनिक स्वास्थ्य को खतरा पहुंचा रहे हैं।
आपके स्वास्थ्य का खतरा है,
लेकिन हमारा भी स्वास्थ्य खतरे में डाल रहे हैं आप।
But Roy remained defiant, insisting that he can smoke in public. And in fact, he hit back, accusing BJP leaders of worsening Delhi's AQI.
हाउस के अंदर सिगरेट पीना मना है। हाउस के बाहर ये खुला जगह में सिगरेट पीने में कोई पाबंदी नहीं है। और बीजेपी जो आरोप लगाता, उन्हीं का सरकार के समय दिल्ली में पोल्यूशन सबसे ज्यादा है।
सर, देश भर में ई सिगरेट बैन हो चुकी है।
Meanwhile, BJP MP Anurag Thakur has raised a formal complaint with Speaker Om Birla a day after alleging that another TMC MP was seen using an e-cigarette inside the Lok Sabha chamber. Remember, e-cigarettes have been banned across India.
सर, देश भर में ई सिगरेट बैन हो चुकी है। क्या सदन में आपने अलाउ कर दी है?
नहीं, कोई माननीय सदस्य को कोई भी
सर, टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर।
कोई भी माननीय सदस्य कभी भी ऐसा कोई विषय मेरे पास आएगा तो निश्चित रूप से इस पर मैं निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई करेंगे।
So what do the rules say? Smoking inside Parliament is strictly prohibited, and yes, public smoking laws apply to MPs too. As Delhi battles dangerous air, the optics of MPs breaking smoking laws inside Parliament couldn't be worse. When lawmakers turn lawbreakers, what precedent is being set for the public? With Shivani Sharma and Amit Bhardwaj in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.